While Combs may contend at sentencing that this evidence should be discounted and that what happened was nothing more than a case of willing swingers utilizing the voluntary services of escorts for their mutual pleasure, the government takes the opposite view that Cassie Ventura and Jane were beaten, coerced, and threatened and lied to and victimized by Combs as a part of their participation in these events. That makes this case unlike any of the cases Combs points to and places it outside of the narrow exception to detention that Congress otherwise deemed mandatory. To be clear, as indicated at the July 2nd hearing, the court offers no view as to how the parties' competing arguments about the evidence will cash out for purposes of sentencing, which is happening in just 60 days. At this juncture, however, the record doesn't establish the kind of out of the ordinary exceptional circumstances requiring immediate release. Combs also points to squalor and danger at the Metropolitan Detention Center, conditions that he says has been aggravated by the federal government's aggressive budget cuts this year. The public outcry concerning these conditions has come from all corners, but as Combe acknowledges, MDC staff has been able to keep him safe and attend to his needs. Even during an incident of threatened violence from an inmate in the United States versus Chavez, they're going to go into what happened in this case. The court found that the conditions at the MDC rose to the level of exceptional reasons, warranting where it was undisputed that the defendant posed no risk or flight or danger, and where unique circumstances counseled release, including the defendant's advanced age and serious medical conditions, which require care that the MDC may not be able to provide. Those facts are not presented here, and nothing in Chavez suggests that exceptional reasons warrant release for every person awaiting sentencing in the MDC. Rather, the MDC is a factor, admittedly serious one, to consider along with others in making that determination. For these reasons, as well as those stated on the record at July 2nd hearing, Combs fails to satisfy his burden to demonstrate an entitlement to release, and the motion for bail is denied and so ordered.